How to put ads and get paid. 32. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps worked. You'll have to pass a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid $10 for each 20-minute test, which involves a recording and answering 4 follow-up written questions. Or you could earn up to $120 to participate in a video conversation with a customer after your test. Total time, approval time can vary. Setup, less than an hour. How easy to start? Easy, if you have the tech gear and complete a sample test. Age threshold, 18 plus. Payment speed, 7 days. 3. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious, tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scams, so do your research. Join a community like the MTurk Crowd Forum, or the MTurk and Turker Nation subreddits, which can steer you away from shifty dealers. These communities and fellow workers can answer questions and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. Read more about Mechanical Turk as a way to make quick money online. Total time, several days to find out if you're approved. Setup, depends on the task you choose. How easy to start? Easy if you have certain skills. Age threshold, 18 plus. Payment speed, you get paid following work approval, which can take up to 30 days. 7 of the best money-making apps of 2020.